are not ready to work with anybody Igbo. Anytime now we are going to start retaliating on you. Don't think you have a right to kill our brothers to any level and you still participate in Nigeria. Fuck hell with your local lodge. You hear? I think you got it. Tell him. Let him go and lodge it in Mbakwe's grave. You understand?
I don't understand what you're saying, sir, but
I'm equally don't understand what you are saying. You are calling for my intellectual. And you are idiot tribe, idiot group, idiot state, people who don't have value for themselves. Go and manage yourself in your Imo. Kill the police station, break the prisons. Let's see when the North start retaliating. Where are you going to start? And it's not going to be long. Idiot. Don't think you have a right to be Nigeria when you are massacring Nigeria.
Sir, you know that we respect you.
Shut up there, my friend.
This
Shut up, idiot. Idiot. Ingrate. All the houses you have in Abuja, you leave them there. You leave the houses in Port Harcourt. Shut up. Close the wire there. Close the phone there. I'm not participating in anything anymore. I have so many friends in Umo. Frank Bezim, Dr. Okoku, Dr. this, Dr. that.
The book launch is actually in Abuja.
Who are you writing to book launch in Abuja? My friend, Foka, go and launch the book in Imo. Don't you have a place in Imo? Go and launch for your Biafra Igbo agenda. Go there. Invite anybody who wants to go to Imo and launch. Why do people run to Abuja? Go back to your state. You ingrate Igbo idiots. You think you have monopoly of violence? Book launch. What are you writing? Start writing today. What you write before is where your story. Just wait. The day North is going to turn on you any moment from now. You know you are out. Don't call me for any book launch. I don't pass that level.
Thank
My
you for
friend.
your concern, sir. Thank
I'm
you
not concerned.
for your good wishes. We are grateful.
I've
Thank
never
you very
wished
much,
good.
sir.